too sick of you niggas, y'all contradicting. I be so bold myself when you come and fuck me. I feel so ordinary, except when you around me. Treat me like water while you wear me out. Arguments, you air me out. Tripping about you. Happy new month, my loves. Oh my god. Please ignore the voice and ignore the state of... Yeah, anyway, welcome guys to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Ivy coming at you with a new month content. Anyway guys, so I'm actually going to town for a few errands and I'm getting a new wig. I am so excited. I have been manifesting for this shit for a hot minute now. So finally I'm getting a new wig and getting new makeup products. Yes, I'm the girl. I'm actually so excited. So I'm gonna take you guys. I'm going to take you guys with me because why not? Why not? Also, wait. I don't know why my other video is like I've deleted so many stuff. Na bado itaki kupost. So I don't know what to do, honestly. But hopefully by the time I'm done with this content, hiyo ingine itakuwa imepost. Aki niko na homa. Excuse me. Guys, if you see the state of my room, if you see the state of my room, so I actually want to go and come back early so that I can continue cleaning my room. I tried doing it yesterday, but I folded my clothes for 5 hours. 5 hours, nothing go mingi. I was just lazy. Let me show you guys the state of my room. Guy, akiskwangi messy, but a lot has been going on, so I really didn't have the time to like clean, and I also wanted it to be messy so that I can be motivated to clean. And now the motivation is here. Also, I don't know what to wear on my head because I have cornrows. And it says it but let me show you guys the state of my room. At least I folded this clothes, so this side is done, but this side is a hot mess, like you can see. And I also need to fold these clothes. And oh my god, this is disgusting. Look at this shit. Look at my bed. But look at this shit right here. Look at this hot mess. Look at this. Like, I'm actually embarrassed. I don't know why I'm showing you guys this, but this is actually the state of my room. Ignore that, bro. But I'm gonna work. I'll come and clean it once I'm back. But don't worry guys, akiskwangivi, but I'll come and clean it once I'm done. Once I'm back from my errands. Because I only have like 2 things to do. I don't like the black liner combo. Ama shida ni nini? Would you be my white, be my yellow? When I'm not. Anyway guys, happy new month my babes. I love you all so much. Let's go. Guys, I'm back and this is the wig. I'm going to like cut the lace obviously, but look at this babe. Look at this babe.
sijawambia. Nikienda town, tell me why our school is texting us talking about kesho ndo mnaanza attachments. Who is you? Who is we? Juu si mimi. Alafu hebu guess kwenye nimepelekwa Mathare. Msicheke. So, but I'm not going. Nah, cannot go to Mathare in this kind of weather. Anyway, let me show you guys everything I've bought. Copy bag. So did you? So I bought these 2 headbands. I'm gonna need them for work. And then go to be spray. And then this melting band and go to be spray. Achini because of vitu zingine. And then it's raining. This mascara, let me show you how it looks. So it has this part. Step 1. It has step 1. Damn. And then bear with me. Step 2. These are mono choma wash. And then I bought this contour palette, the powder one. And then let me show you guys this mini eyeshadow palette. But look at the colors. Look at the colors. Girl. And then I can buy, oh my god, this spray, setting sprayer, but it's a gold setting spray. So when you spray it on like your skin, it becomes goldish. So I don't know if I'm gonna use it on my face because staki a golden makeup. And then like beauty blenders. Beauty blenders and this primer from Black Opal. Yeah, Black Opal. But anyway, commercial for the wig. Who's that sexy bit dancing all the way? That's me, standing in the mirror. Actually, we cut it and then make it to edges. Y'all can see nilijichoma bana. Make edges na imeshika like imeshika. But anyway, first time big girl patches. This is a really big girl patches this year. This is actually my first big girl patches this year, not my whole life, this year. Also guys, did you see the reach? Did you see my reach on IG? 34K. And then 27 points. I said 27 point what on that like cookie bar video. Oh, thank you Lydia Kenyan. Anyway guys, let me install this bad boy. Let me cut the lace and then yeah. Akintashinda hapa. You guys, bye. Jintashinda hapa. Bye bye. now I just have to like glue it down and then like powder and then some hinges. How such a
An eternity later.
Finally, I'm done. I'm still gonna fix that wall because I give them, but at least it's clean. So yeah, anyway, bye.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Turn this room, turn it to an ocean. Let me float around. Eyes closed, like we're dreaming even when we're not. You and me got a whole lot of meaning, I don't know how. You and me just know how it feels when we're falling in love. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. We can do nothing at all. So what?
Hi guys, so this is actually going to be the end of this video. Yeah, aki imeka hapa a whole month recording. Like, I'm the problem, okay? So ignore how I look, guys. Sikupenda kwangu, okay? I wish you all knew what I'm going through. Oh my god, 60. Anyway guys, so I'm going to finish up reading. I actually want to at least read 2 chapters today. I'm trying to read more books this month. Not even this month, this year, because I don't like reading, but I wanna read more books. And this one is actually very interesting. Kama when you mtu wa chai, you like the tea, you know. And these are like high school kids. Not high school, uni kids. So the tea is thing, hawafichi details. Oh. Accurate. Oh my god, I look like this one guy. Wig. Where's my video? So this is actually the book I'm reading. It's called The Truth About Happily Ever After by Sasajina National Kusoma. This is like Karole. Is it Carol Kozo? C, I think this is COZZ Amani JJ Kojo. I don't know. Anyway guys, this is the end of this video. Thank you for tuning in and thank you for being patient with me. I'll see you probably next week. I promise, I swear, I promise you'll see me next week. Anyway, thanks guys. Make sure to subscribe, like, comment. Comment. Like, you guys have nothing to tell me. Ata salamu surely, you guys are so mean. But anyway, yeah. Subscribe, like, share, and comment. Okay, bye.